Here they are, some tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are the sentences that are made up of words. Sometimes they really do not make sense. Sometimes they do make sense. But they are mainly made up of of words that have the same or similar sound in them, and make it a bit difficult to say that quickly, and you have to slow down to say those. And if you go fast, then you find that, oh, your tongue is twisted, and there's a knot in your tongue now because of the formation, because of the repetition of the same sound. Okay, well, they are a bit funny, and yeah, can be helpful as well when we are learning sounds like the, or other ones. Okay, now let's look at them. Try to say that as quickly as you can. Okay, all right. 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. Now, if 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts, how many thoughts each thief think? Okay, so we practice this. We just read through them and see if we've done them right. And if you record yourself and watch it again, you might find some mistakes in the middle. You see that in some cases, in some areas, you tend to go back to se sound, t sound, or something like that. Okay, so then you can correct yourself and try that once again and record yourself once again. It's funny, and also it works. All right, at the same time. Now let's look at these other tongue twisters. The 33 thankful thieves thought that they thanked the other 33 thankful thieves throughout Thursday. Okay? If you like, you can add some more words to these, like the other 3,333 thankful thieves, if you like, or 33 thin thankful thieves. They are thin as well, or any other one that you feel you can put in. More than welcome. Just do that. All right, make it as difficult as you can and try to master it. Okay, do not mean that you need to memorize it, but try to pronounce it correctly. Okay, the other ones. I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought I thought. Okay, makes sense. And father, mother, sister, brother, hand in hand with one another. Okay, it's a bit rhythmic, so it's easy. But be careful with your the sounds. All right, so these were some tongue twisters at the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed and also have learned, and by watching this one, pronouncing the, where is it? It's gone. The and the is much easier compared to past. Okay, hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.